Welcome back. In order to change the video to a vertical format, you're going to need to change your dimensions. And in PowerPoint, the way you do that is to go to this design area, slide size area, and you're then going to do a custom slide size. You will then have a dialog where you're going to change the slide size. What you're then going to do is you're going to change this to a custom size. And what you're then going to do is you're going to write in the width in pixels. So in this case, if you're going to do a 1080 pixel width video, you're going to write in 1080px. What will happen is when you hit the enter button, PowerPoint will turn this into the dimensions that it has in terms of inches. What we're then going to do is we're going to now change the height. We're going to write this in as 1920. We're going to change this to px. We're then going to click enter, and then PowerPoint is going to change the dimensions to inches. We're going to then click ensure fit, and we then have our new PowerPoint presentation. You'll then be able to see what your PowerPoint show will look like. You'll then click on From Custom Slide, and then you'll be able to tell what your slide will then look like. Now this may mean that you may need to come back to your slide in order to make adjustments in terms of the font size or to add other elements in order to make for a good video on a vertical format. But you will then be able to record your video in this format. You'll do it in the very same way that you recorded the widescreen video. You're going to go to the record area, and you're then going to click on from the beginning, and you're going to start your recording by scrolling through your points. Once you have PowerPoint open, what you're then going to do is you're going to click on the record button. And once your recording begins, you're going to begin scrolling through your points and then creating your recording. And then once you've completed your recording, what you'll then do is you'll stop the recording and you'll then export your video. You'll then export the video from this area. And your video will start processing and exporting. And your video will then be complete. You can click the View button. And your video will then be available in the format that you want it, which in this case is going to be a vertical format that's going to fit the TikTok medium. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.